Hi everyone, it's Caroline and today we're gonna talk about the C1, a walking pad from WalkingPad Kingsmith. Let's get started. So the C1 folds completely in half at 180 degrees. So you will be able to store it very easily under your bed, your sofa, or even behind the door. It weighs 22 kg, which is equal to 48 pounds. So it's very light, so we'll be able to move it from room to room without any problem. And it also has two front wheel, which is perfect, so you won't have to carry it completely to move it. Style-wise, it comes in white or light gray, giving it a clean and minimalist look. And the best part, it comes already fully assembled, so you just have to take it out of the box, plug it, and you are ready to walk. The C1 lets you adjust the speed from 0.5 to 3.7 miles per hour, which is equal to 0.5 up to 6 km per hour, with a small 0.5 km per hour increase. So you can walk slowly or go for a more dynamic walk, so you can easily pick up the pace depending on your mood. To control the speed, you got three options. Option number one, via the remote control. Option number two, via the KSFIT app directly available on your smartphone. Or option number three, with the automatic mode, which means the walking pad will adjust the speed depending on your step on the platform. You walk forward, it's gonna increase the speed. You walk backward, it's gonna decrease the speed, and if you jump out of the device, it's gonna completely stop. A big point here is the C1 doesn't have a built-in screen. All the information will show up directly on the remote control. It displays your speed, distance, calorie burn, and the number of steps. So it's super handy if you use it under a standing desk. You don't need to bend down or stop walking to check out. Everything is right next to you, so it's simple and easy to use. Perfect for working from home. But if you want to use your walking pad while watching TV, for example, you will have to carry the remote control in your hand, on your pocket, or even use the KSFIT app directly on your phone. In terms of motor, it has a 746 watt brush motor, smooth and quiet, but not as much as the other model with brushless motor. Compared to other model from the brand, it's slightly noisier, but it's not too bad. The running area is 47 inches long and 16.3 inches large, which is equal to 120 centimeters long and 41.5 large. Great for natural and comfortable walk. Thanks to the EVA double layer cushioning, you will feel less impact on your joints. The C1 can support up to 100 kg, which means 220 pounds. But if you are heavier than that, don't worry, I put a video right here just for you. It also has a child lock for added safety, so it won't start accidentally. So now let's talk about the few downsides. Because it's more an open design with fewer protective cover, it's less child-friendly. It needs a little bit more maintenance to clean the dust regularly. It has no built-in display, which can be a bit frustrating at times, and it's also noisier than other models from the brand. To conclude, I think the C1 is still a great option if your goal is to work from home under an elevated desk. But in 2025, I think there is a better option from the brand like C2 or even the A1 Pro. They both have a brushless motor, are quiet, and overall a better value for your money. But regardless of your choice, WalkingPad is offering you a super discount. You will find the code and the link in the description below. If you have any question regarding this model or any other model from the brand, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be more than happy to reply. That's it for me. I will see you soon. Ciao!